In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel or edit a trade in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for so you can adjust or remove an order with confidence. First, open your browser and head to tradingview.com. Make sure you're signed into the account you use for trading. Once you're in, navigate to your chart workspace. This is where you can see your instrument, your drawings, and most importantly, your active orders displayed directly on the chart or in the trading panel. Now find the specific trade or order you want to change. On the chart, it typically appears as a line or label at the order price, often showing quantity and order type. When you've located it, move your mouse over that order and right-click. This brings up a context menu that gives you quick controls for that exact order, so you don't have to dig through menus. From here, you can choose to modify the order. Selecting Modify will open a window where you can adjust key details like the price level, the quantity or contracts, and any attached stop loss and take profit. Take a moment to verify you are editing the correct symbol and order type, such as limit or stop. If your platform shows a preview, check the estimated cost, margin impact, and the new execution conditions before confirming. A helpful tip: small, precise changes reduce the chance of unintended fills, especially in fast markets. If TradingView allows dragging order lines on your chart, you can use that as a visual way to reposition the price, then confirm the change in the dialog that appears. When everything looks right, click to confirm the modification and wait for the platform to update the order status. If you decide you no longer want the order, you can cancel it instead. Right-click the order again and choose Cancel. You may see a confirmation prompt. Accept it to proceed. The order will be removed from the chart and from your open orders list. Keep in mind, you can only cancel an order that hasn't fully executed yet. If an order is partially filled, cancelling will remove the remaining unfilled portion while preserving the filled amount as an open position, if applicable. That's it. Go to TradingView, open your chart, right-click the order, then either modify the details or cancel it altogether. Work carefully, double-check your changes, and watch for confirmation messages so you always know the exact state of your order. Thanks for watching and happy trading.